Now this category was a very difficult category, so we have extra nominations here, and it was difficult to split. So this year there are joint winners, and those two joint winners are Teys Australia Tamworth and Irritech of Moree.
Teys Australia Tamworth. Teys Australia Tamworth is one of 6 ultra-modern beef processing facilities operated by the company across the eastern seaboard. It has 450 employees and processes 850 head of cattle per day. Responsive management encourages staff development, talent empowerment, corporate social responsibility and innovation. A tangible innovation at Teys Australia Tamworth was a remarkable example of in-house ingenuity, vastly improving previously accepted design and processes. The long-existing crash gates have been refined with inventive flair by the resourceful maintenance team at Teys Tamworth. The result is the appropriately gentler-sounding bump gate. Traditionally, crash gates were manually opened and closed behind the cattle. The maintenance team added a gas strut to replace the existing spring system and an air cylinder, enabling remote operation of the new bump gates. Following trials, the team added ultrasonic sensors and a 2-position solenoid valve, allowing free-flowing animal movement through the gates. Then the bumper gate arms were slowed down. Risks associated with contact between gates, cattle and stock handlers were all but removed. Benefits include improved workplace health and safety, meat quality for customers, animal welfare outcomes, production line productivity, and overall, a multifaceted positive impact on the bottom line.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Irritech on the joint winner of the award and the other participants, and also the sponsors of today's awards. I did have a speech made up and I was going to talk about the whole process, but listening from behind there, obviously you've got a fairly good understanding of what we've done at Teys to mitigate some OH&S issues and some animal welfare issues. I suppose the pleasing thing that we like to say for me personally as being head of the maintenance department, that all of the R&D and the work was done in-house. We managed to utilise one of our leading stars within the maintenance team, Carl Brand, is at the back there. Well done, Carl. Like I said, without his input and effort, we wouldn't have come up with the design that we finally came up with. So once again, it's obviously a good indictment of what is around locally. We could have easily went out to the marketplace and tried to get some designers or whatever else to come up with a solution. But we believe that within the regional areas, we still have the people and the skills to do as well as any metropolitan area. So thanks very much.
Irritech Proprietary Limited. Located just north of Moree, Irritech is a family-owned business that began over 20 years ago. Through innovative design, precision, expert installation and service, they have become a major efficiency-enhancing infrastructure provider for irrigators throughout Australia. They custom design, manufacture and install Irritech channel gates, check valves, trash elevators and pump stations. Irritech's innovative channel gate design and enhanced features are a source of pride. Created in response to demand for an easy-to-use, cost-effective irrigation channel product, Irritech's channel gates have evolved to the point that they are now considered to be the #1 option in terms of quality, durability and affordability on a national level. Recognition of their innovation and reliability have seen them move beyond agriculture to government and mining clients. They range from 600mm to 3 metres in diameter and are manufactured from heavy-duty galvanised steel. Channel gates, or water valves, regulate the flow of water. Reliable and strong channel gates facilitate maximum water efficiencies. Features that Irritech have tailored to Australian conditions include more durable stainless steel gate rollers, a gate mast indicator which indicates the height of a submerged gate, and a 2-inch mast thread. Homegrown design, engineering and boilermaker expertise has resulted in demand for Irritech products being widespread, resulting in a considerable contribution to the economy and reputation of Moree. Their innovation with and refinement of irrigation channel gates has made a positive sustainability impact on Australian agriculture.
Who would have thought I would have been accepting an award for a channel gate? So without boring you with the details of the superior stainless steel construction of the Irritec channel gate, I'd just like to make the simple observation how hard manufacturing with steel products is in Australia, in a regional area now. So to win a product, an award that recognises an innovation for manufacturing in steel from Moree is really quite special. The innovator of the award, my dear husband, has made it quite evaded having to speak to his great innovation because he's upselling channel gates and Irritec pump stations to projects in the Gulf. So, you know, he's travelled 2,000 k's to get away from standing here. So I'm doing it for him. So the innovation was born out of 20 years of seeing irrigators have stuck channel gates, of having galvanised steel that rusts, so we introduced stainless steel. What this means and what this recognition for the company means, well, the boys out the back who made and developed them will give them a boost. The Moree champion might run a bit of a story, and Moree will be known as another centre for innovation in manufacturing. I was talking with some people before dinner, and we were the young Aggies group, and we were talking about how agriculture is centred in that Moree and yes, Narrabri area, and that you can travel Australia-wide, and anyone that is a leader in agriculture has either worked in the Gwaida, Namoy or McIntyre Valley. So this northern inland region is the hub of everything that is good about agriculture, and I think because of that, everything that's good about homegrown innovation. So thank you very much for the award, and I'd really like to thank Gary and Lou, who did their best to make channel gates look sexy on the video. So thank you.